Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace your Honda Civic remote battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR1616 or CR1620 coin cell battery. This simple task can be done quickly at home, saving you a trip to the dealership. It's a common maintenance item that keeps your remote functioning reliably. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the remote case. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment point. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly. You'll hear a small click as the two halves of the remote begin to separate. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. With the remote open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR1616 or CR1620 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures proper contact. Finally, it's time to reassemble your remote. Carefully align the two halves of the remote case. Press them together firmly until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your remote, including lock, unlock, and trunk release, to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your Honda Civic remote battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.